Welcome to the Afloat 16-inch Space Saver platform setup. To start, we're going to lay out the rails in the correct position and orientation. The two end rails will be laying on the north and south side, while the two side rails will lay on the west and east side. Once completed, begin to attach the end rails to the side rails until all four corners are connected. Reassure that the support rails are facing inward. Once all the rails are connected, insert the four short legs into the rail slots firmly. The legs will fully set once weight from the water is applied. Once all four legs are inserted, attach the slat by inserting the end tabs into the slots on the inside of the side rails. Pinch in the snap on the tabs to lock it into place. Attach the two plain slats on either side of the middle slat the same way. Attach the two outer slats with the leg slots. Make sure that the leg slots are both pointing outward towards the end rails. Once all the slats have been placed, insert the final long legs into the slots. If you would like to add an optional headboard, you will need to attach the headboard brackets. You're now ready to assemble your Afloat Essential Waterbed. Visit afloatsleep.com to download the Afloat Essential Instruction PDF under Instruction Manuals, as well as access the Afloat Essential Instructional video.